Nate, big news here from Acura. You want to tell us about it?
Well, I'm sure some of you guys have already heard, but the Acura RDX is going away for a few years.
And when we say it's going away, what are we saying with that?
Well, it's a strategic play, I'll be honest with you. They want to revamp this Acura. I mean, it's been 8 years now since they've had any big adjustments to it, so taking it off for a few years here, they'll bring it back fully modernized and hybridized.
Wow, so we're going to have a hybrid engine in the next RDX. That's something to look forward to. We don't have any other hybrid engines in this lineup, do we?
No, not a single one. That's why this is a real big deal.
So as far as our current inventory of RDXs, how long is that going to last?
Well, Brian, they're not all going to go away right away. I mean, it sounds like Acura's current plans are just to finish up their current production lines. After that, then they'll be full done with it for a few years. So there are still RDXs out there, that's for sure. But you're gonna have another situation like with the TLXs where, right away we'll have some, but as word gets out, people are gonna buy them up real fast, and that's when it becomes really scarce and hard to get them.
So if you're interested in the RDX the way that it is now, the quicker you make the decision to buy one, the better.
Correct, yeah. You might want to consider moving your timeline up just a little bit at least.
Now the RDX has been a really popular vehicle for us here. We also got rid of the TLX this past year too. So coming up here, we're gonna have the Integra, the ADX, and the MDX, right?
Yep, so you still have your small and your large SUV. You just don't have anything in the middle. But later this year, there will be another midsize SUV to fill that slot for you to hold you over.
And what are we talking about with that?
We're talking about Acura's fully built by Acura, all-electric RSX.
So what do we know about the RSX?
Well, we don't know a whole lot. It's a little hush-hush right now until we get closer to the release date, but what we do know is, one, how it looks. I've seen the pictures, the promos, and the prototypes. It looks amazing. The other thing I do know is that it's gonna be about the size of the RDX, and it's gonna be fully built just by Acura themselves.
Cool, so it's gonna be different than what the ZDX was, right?
Right, yeah, no third-party involvement. It's full Acura, full quality.
So that's some exciting news for Acura over the next few years. RDX going away, but it is coming back. And in the meantime, we have that all-electric RSX that's going to take its place. Nate, if people have questions about any of this, how would they be able to contact you?
I mean, it's real easy. You can go to our website, smellacura.com, or you can come see me directly in person in Greensburg, right off of Route 30.
Great. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. We'll make sure to get back to you.